How to grow your YouTube channel fast. So these are 3 tips right here that's gonna help you grow your YouTube channel fast. So my YouTube channel has been blowing up, and I'm gonna show you exactly how you can grow yours fast. So the first tip is that you wanna make sure you show up in suggested videos. What I mean by this is that at the end of every single YouTube video, you can go to your end screen and add those videos. And at the end of the videos, your audience can be able to click those videos, and those are suggested videos. And on the right-hand side of YouTube, you want to show up there. You want to add more. You want to create more videos so you can show up in the suggested videos, because now what's gonna happen is that when people watch your video, at the end of the video, they're gonna see your video right on the right side, and at the end screen, they're gonna see you at the end screen as well. And now they can click your video to watch more of your content. Now the second way, you wanna make sure you do series and you wanna create related videos. What I mean by this is that, just like this video I'm creating right now is about YouTube, obviously, at the end of this video, I'm gonna create another video that's on YouTube too, so you guys can go watch that video to learn more about YouTube. So that's what you wanna do for your audience. If you're creating a video on Instagram, don't create a video on Instagram, then at the end of that video, tell your followers to go watch a video on Facebook. You don't want to do that. Keep their attention on Instagram. Create another video on Instagram, and now they're going to just keep binge watching your videos. So you really just want to make sure that you create related videos pertaining to the video that you're creating to get your audience to watch the next video coming up. Because if they watch the next video coming up, YouTube's going to show your videos in the algorithm even more and more and more and more. And that's going to allow you to grow your channel really fast, because YouTube's going to see that, oh, your viewers actually love your content and they're watching more of your content. Now, the third way, you want to make sure before you record any videos, make a content calendar. What we do, we make a content calendar of all the videos that we want to record, and we pick 2 days out of the week, and we film 7 videos each day, and we knock so many content out. So you really want to pick these, you really want to make sure that you do a content calendar so you can be able to film a lot of video and bash them. Instead of trying to figure out videos to create, just think about some ideas that you want to create and list them on your content calendar and record those videos so you don't have to keep thinking about it all the time. So those are 3 ways right there to grow your YouTube channel fast. So if you're new to my channel, every single day I post video just like this to help you become successful and take you to where you want to go. I want to make sure you subscribe right now and check out my next video coming up. I'm going to show you exactly how you grow your YouTube channel even more.